The absolute best trick for turning long-form videos into a steady stream of high-performing short clips just got significantly easier. If you caught my last breakdown on building consistent content strategies, you probably asked yourself, can I actually automate the conversion of a finished long video into a full set of shorts? The short answer is an absolute yes, and today I am going to show you exactly how Vizard makes the entire process feel like you are cheating the system. Let us start with the core concept. Instead of manually scrubbing through hours of raw footage to hunt for the good bits, Vizard analyzes your long video and instantly identifies those viral moments. It then produces a massive stack of ready-to-post short clips across every format, vertical, square, or landscape, without requiring you to be a professional editor. You simply upload a full-length episode, podcast, or tutorial, tell it the general vibe you are aiming for, and it generates a complete character sheet of clips for you. This includes multiple angles, different crops, a range of emotional beats, and platform-optimized versions that are ready for immediate tweaking. Let me walk you through my typical end-to-end workflow, as if I am sitting right next to you, helping you get your first batch ready. First, you just drag and drop your long-form source video directly into the platform. While it prefers clean audio and clear visuals, it is not particularly picky, so a talking head episode or a recorded live stream works perfectly. Vizard then scans for peaks in engagement signals, such as vocal energy, repetition, topic shifts, laughter, or even significant visual changes. Think of this as the AI extracting the facial landmarks of your video to pinpoint the moments that actually matter to an audience. Next, you encounter a few smart toggles. You can choose purely AI-curated highlights or give the system some guardrails for specific results. I personally like to leave the default set to AI picks for speed, but I crank the sensitivity way up to 90% if I really want only the most clickable moments. If you are aiming for a specific mood like funny, inspirational, or even shocking, you can slide those tone controls to match your brand. The system then spits out a set of candidates, from 15-second vertical cuts to 90-second deep dives for your YouTube channel. Once those clips are generated, you can fine-tune the body by editing captions, emphasis, or text styles with just a single click. You can also choose templates that match your channel's aesthetic, moving from lo-fi indie vibes to high-energy influencer styles. I like to run a small test here by turning off the AI's frame lock and letting it reframe the action for a different platform. It crops the action perfectly, keeps the subject centered, and adjusts the motion so it looks like it was shot natively for that specific social ratio. Another neat trick is the ability to create multiple emotional variants of the exact same moment. You can test whether a version that emphasizes surprise works better than one that feels contemplative, which is huge for A/B testing your content. If you need thumbnails, Vizard can even save out clean headshots and stills from the clip set, choosing frames with perfect lighting and neutral backgrounds. This creates a consistent look for your channel, allowing you to build brand templates that match your identity across every single video. One of my absolute favorite features is teaching Vizard your unique editing voice. By grabbing the clips you liked best and adding them to a training set, the app learns your preferred pacing, caption styles, and even music choices. After a short training pass, every new long video you upload is edited using that template, resulting in fewer manual tweaks and a signature look across your library. This essentially codifies your editing DNA, capturing the rhythm and jump cut cadence that your audience has come to expect from you. Finally, you can drop your best clips into the content calendar to set a frequency for automatic posting. It shows a bird's eye view of everything, letting you drag and drop clips to move them around or duplicate them for different platforms. I think the real reason Vizard wins is that it sits right in that sweet spot between manual control and total automation. While other tools either force you to do all the work yourself or produce sterile, cookie-cutter edits, Vizard lets you retain your creative authority. You get the efficiency of AI-driven highlight detection, with the ability to step in and add your human touch whenever you need it. If you are looking to scale your short-form content output without turning into a full-time, sleep-deprived editor, this is the most reliable tool I have ever used. Simply upload your content, let Vizard pick the gold, tweak a few stylistic knobs, and you will have a predictable pipeline of shareable clips ready for the world.